Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can add someone on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to add someone on WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself first, and once you tap open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the search bar and tap on new contact. Now simply type in the first name and last name of the contact and tap on the phone number as well and hit the save button. After you do so, the contact will be saved. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the magnifying glass looking like icon, and once you do this, you need to type in the name that you have recently created contact and simply chat with them. Once you send a reply or message to that particular person, you will be adding them on your WhatsApp as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.